In this video we're going to talk about the new calendar control that you can place on a dialog component. So I'm creating a brand new dialog right now, and first I'm going to go and choose just a regular standard text box control, which I'll call date 1, and give it a data type of D over there, and then next I'm going to go and choose the new calendar control over there. So I'll go there and I'll type in date 2. I don't need to specify a type for the control because since we chose calendar, we already know that it's going to be a date time field. So now I've chosen two controls, and let's go and see how the dialog renders. So the first control is the standard date picker. You can type any date value that you want into the control, or click a value over there and make a selection. Whereas in this case, the calendar control always is displayed. You don't have to click a button to open it. It always is open, and it's always displayed directly on the dialog itself. But in every other respect, it's just like any other control. So you can set its value, read its value, submit its value, just like any other control. So let's go here, for example, and go to default value, and then let's just go here and say that the default value is 12/1/2008. So if I run this now, you can see that the calendar has been set to 2008. If I go and put a submit button on it, and then go to my server-side event and put a debug 1 into the after dialog validate, I'll see that whatever value I pick there and whatever value I pick there is going to be submitted. So the values are submitted just like any other control. And furthermore, I can go and set values. So let's go now and put say another button over there, and now call the set value method. So I'm going to go there to text value and type in dialog.object set value of date 2, and then choose some date 11/23/2004, and then hit the save button, go over and run it, and then you can see now that we've set the value of the control. So even though the value is being displayed in this calendar like this, it's just like any other dialog control whose value can be set and read using the standard methods. And furthermore, just like any other dialog control, I can go there and say wrap those two fields in a container. So let's go there and say container begin, turn off the break over there, and then put this into a repeating section. And so now when I look at my dialog, I see the calendar has been put into a repeating section. If I go and add a new row, you can see that the repeating section adds that row. So the calendar is a very powerful new control type that you can show on dialogs, and but it's bound to a variable value just like any of the other dialog controls that you see over here. So in subsequent videos we're going to show some more of the options for the calendar, in particular how you can program against this calendar object. Thanks very much.